What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today we're talking PPC for mobile detailing companies or detailing companies in general. You don't necessarily have to be mobile, but I do like that advantage. Anyways, let's jump into it. So imagine for a second you're a mobile detailing company and you are strapped for leads. You don't necessarily know where to start. Maybe you've done some Facebook ads, maybe you've done some Google ads, maybe you've hit up Craigslist, and you're just not getting the leads that you need in order to really sustain your business, or things are going really well and you want to rock and roll and really pour some gas in the fire. Google Ads is a great way to do that. At this point, click costs are low enough that you can do really well with a conservative budget and just knock it out of the park. And the beauty of this industry is there is repeat purchases. So if you could profitably acquire a new customer with Google Ads, that makes your back end of your business that much more profitable. So as long as you stay in front of your customer base via email marketing and maybe a little bit of direct mail and maybe some calling, you can have a super profitable business and basically just use Google Ads as a faucet to crank up the revenue. All right, so let's run through two separate campaigns that we're running and just highlight what's possible. So this particular person is spending about 65 bucks a day. We are at an average click cost of $2 per click. Total for the last 2 weeks, let me refresh, we're in a 2-week time frame here. About 500 bucks, 560 bucks. They've gotten 53 leads, they're 10 bucks a lead, and it's a 20% conversion rate. So basically, every fifth click in the campaign is producing a lead. We want that number to get up as high as possible. So we're going to do things within this campaign to shoot that number up into the 30s and 40s as best we possibly can. The higher that number gets, the cheaper your cost per lead is going to be. All right, and so 50 leads over the last 2 weeks, so roughly 25 leads a week, 26 leads a week. Here's another one we're running, 90 bucks a day. This particular gentleman's click costs are a little under $2 per click. He's gotten 178 leads in 2 weeks. His cost per lead is $7. His conversion rate is 27. I mean, shoot, if you were getting, let's say it's 180, so let's say you're getting 90 leads a week, and the other example is 25. So what would your detailing business look like if you were getting 25 to 90 leads per week on top of anything else you're currently doing? You can see how you could rapidly grow a detailing business with that type of volume. And that is very attainable with Google Ads. Something you got to keep in mind, it doesn't necessarily need to be 90 bucks a day or 60 bucks a day. It could be Monday through Friday. It could be you want to take the weekends off and breathe a little bit and you just want to work Monday through Friday. You can do that. You could also run 7 days a week if you'd like. You could run 4 days a week. So there's different ways we can get creative on budgeting an ad schedule to be more efficient with your time, when you have people answering the phones, that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to show you two different campaigns and just give you an idea of what's possible within the detailing space. So you're looking at roughly 25 to 90 leads a week. That's insane. Now imagine what your business would look like if you were cranking that many leads per week. I'd imagine you'd be growing pretty quickly and you'd be adding vans or trucks, whatever type of vehicles you run, and things would be going pretty well. You'd be able to offer hire some office staff to take the inbound calls. You'd be able to hire more techs and employees to actually perform the work for you. You can get out of the car and start actually operating on the business instead of in the business. You could do a lot of cool stuff with that type of lead generation flowing into your business. So if that's of interest, give me a shout. My name is Ed. I'm one of the owners here at ClicksGeek. I'll drop a link in the description. We are a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in generating leads for local businesses, and I'm happy to have a chat about running a mobile detailing campaign for you. Again, I'll drop a link in the description. Just fill out the application and let's set up a time to chat, and we'll go from there. Hope all is well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.